Hello students, welcome to today's lesson entitled Chapter 2, Economic Systems and Decision Making. This particular graph shows inflation from the years 1990 through 2000. This is illustrated on our horizontal axis. You'll see we start in 1990 here and finish in 2000. On the vertical axis we have actual percent of change in inflation. So our first task is to decide which 2-year period did inflation increase the most. Now as a visual, we're looking for a very vertical or most vertical angle called the slope. You'll notice from the year 1990 through 92, we have this line here that is more vertical than the other line segments you see throughout the graph. That's our first indicator that that may be the largest increase. And in fact, if we look at 1990, that intersects with the percent of about 1.5. And of course in 92 we have about 4.5%. So that's a 3% change. If we were to calculate the percentage of change with these more horizontal angles, we would see that those are all less than the 3% change. So our answer to the question, which 2-year period did inflation increase the most? This 2-year period here, 1990 through 1992. On our second task, it asks us to look at what was the approximate change in inflation from 1996 to 1998. So now our focus is going over to here. We'll circle these 2 years. So if we go up to 96, that takes us up to this point here, which is about 5.2%. 98 takes us up to this point here, which is about 4.6%. What we want to do is not a matrix system in this case. The matrix system used in our previous chapter, chapter 1, to calculate percent, that is used for whole numbers. We already have our number in percent on the vertical axis. Therefore, it's a simple subtraction problem. 5.2 minus 4.6 gives us about 0.6% decrease. So that is our answer for task number 2.